Masking is kind of a secret weapon for mastering digital sculpting, and in Blender 5.1 it just got a nice upgrade, making it much quicker and easier. So if you want to speed up your workflow and stop fighting with awkward geometry, then take a look at these new features. So I've got my face sculpt and I want to work on the eyes. So if I come into here and try and move the eyelids around, you might get a problem where you're trying to work on one of the eyelids and the other one is being affected. So I've got my grab brush and you can see the bottom one and the top one are affected. And I need to come in quite small with my grab brush, even smaller than this in fact, and then I have to work on smaller areas because of it. And this is where masking comes in. Incidentally, I've got my screencast keys down here if you need to see what I'm pressing. In Blender 5.1, all we need to do is hold down Alt and we can then paint our mask. And you can see that being painted on there. And it follows the size of my brush. So if I resize my brush with F, I can hold down Alt and paint in here as well. And I've got this area masked just here now. I can then make my brush nice and big and change the top area without affecting the bottom area. And that's where masking is really handy. If I want to delete any of the area, then I can hold down Control and Alt, and then I can get rid of certain areas of the mask. And also, if I hold down A, you get the pie menu for the mask. So I could sharpen the mask, for example. That's a really useful one where I can sharpen areas up and I can go in and edit my shape nice and easily with that mask clearly defined. So holding down Alt will paint your mask. Control Alt, you can paint and erase your mask. Holding down A gives you the mask menu with lots of options. And lastly, if you want to get rid of your mask entirely, you can press Alt M. So masking can be really helpful to define a specific area you want to work on. And the new keyboard shortcuts makes that so much simpler. If you want to learn more about sculpting, then check out my beginner's guide or my sculpting playlist, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.